Number 13 looks for us to find the length and the width of this rectangle. So we have the area. The area here is x squared plus 8x plus 15. We want to break it down to its length and its width. To break it down, we can say that the area is equal to the length times the width. So what we can do is essentially break up the product into its factors by the process of factoring. So all we have to do is factor x squared plus 8x plus 15. All right. So dash times dash is equal to 15, and dash plus dash is equal to 8. Those two numbers are 5 and 3. 5 and 3. We then divide by that 1x term, so 1x, 1x, and we can write it in its factored form, x plus 5 and x plus 3. So we can say that the length here can be x plus 5 and the width here as x plus 3. So there you go. That's how you find the length and the width. You just factor. Same thing here. The area is x squared plus 8x minus 20. Let's factor it. X squared plus 8x minus 20. Let's factor it. We want to find two numbers that multiply to make negative 20. That adds up to that 8. And the two numbers here are 5 and 4, right? No, 5 and 4 does not add up to 8. Let's say 2 and 10. And the negative is on the 2. 2 times 10 is negative 20. 2 plus 10 is 8. Perfect. Then I would divide by that 1x, 1x, 1x here. Ooh, notice that in factored form, it becomes x minus 2 and x plus 10. So this area, we can say that the width is x minus 2 and the length here is x plus 10. So there you go. That is how you find the length and the width of a triangle. You just factor it.